I am going to explain the chapter BA Sports. Okay, it is the second part of this chapter, and if you want to see the first part of this chapter, then you have to go to the playlist of the channels. So let's start the video and know more things about this story. Okay, so let's first you can see here is a hard word that is very important for you, so listen carefully. Dexterity means skill. Okay, skill means the worthy. High-handed means arrogance and bossy. Arrogance or bossy. Arrogance means proudly. And simpleton means someone who is not very intelligent and be tricked easily. Okay, now next is comradeship. Comradeship means friendship and loyalty between people who pay, who play. Okay, it is the hard word, so you have to learn it. Next, we have to talking about the chapter, and we proceed our chapters. In the previous video, I have to explain of the its first part. In the first part, you have to know that there is the two boys. They were playing the gilli and danda with the fun and pleasure, but one day when they are playing, they were playing the turn of the Gaya. Okay, turn of the Gaya. The narrator wanted to leave that game and go to the home, but here the not Gaya is not agreed, and he telling him to complete his turn, then he go. Both are conversing and quarreling to each other, and after 2 or 3 days, the narrator have to go another town with his father's wife because his father transferred there. And after 20 years, narrator completed his engineering, and he became a engineer, and he transferred, or he have to reach the same village that where he spent his childhood. After the reaching there, the narrator remind all his memories that was very important, very enjoyable for him. And when he recall all the memory, he remember the same person, same voice, that was whose with which he played. And he coming out from the dark bungalow and searching that guys. After some walking, he looked some of the boys who playing a gilli and danda. He actually asking to him to call the Gaya. Gaya is the childhood friends. Okay, and when the Gaya met him, he keep the proposal to play with him. After the keeping the proposal, the Gaya agreed, and they are going toward the same playground wherever they play in the childhood. Okay, next what will happen? The narrator telling him about his all memory of his childhood, and he telling that the Gaya hit him with the danda when he is child. And listening this statement, the Gaya saying that please do not remind me of it, and he feels sorry. The Gaya feel sorry, but here is the narrator saying that, "Wow, I said why not? Why? Because that memory remains the sweetest memory of his childhood." It means narrator's best memory of the childhood to hitting and playing with the Gayas. Then what will be next? After the 3 miles away, when they left the town behind of the 3 miles away, then the narrator explained about the environment of that ground. The sun, complete environment, everything is a quiet and peaceful. The sky was lit by the rays of the evening sun. Seeing this, the narrator rapidly climbed a tree and cut a branch to make the gilli and danda. And both are the person, Miss Gaya and narrator, now start to playing the game. And when the game start, first the narrator hit the gilly, making it leap up the air. Gaya tried to catch it but fell behind him, because the narrator saying here, the Gaya seemed to be lost his old dexterity, means skill. Okay, he had no same skill as a childhood. Gaya watched without saying a word. And here the narrator also did not give any chance. Why? Because he had a lack of the skill, and by lack of the skill, he cheating at every opportunity. He cheating with the Gaya, but Gaya did not say anything. Okay, and how accurate his aim used to be in the old days. His gilly had never, the narrator telling to the Gaya's prize, he saying that his gilly had never failed to the hit the danda, and now it missed the danda every time. It means Gaya has a lack of skill nowadays, but in the childhood he has a lot of the skills to playing the gilly and danda. And they continue to playing the gilly and danda. After some time, after a minute, the gilly hit the danda again, this time as loudly and unmistakably as a pistol shot. But here the narrator declared that, no, I did not see the gilly hit the danda. Here is declared not any not keep any argue, and he agreed to play again. And this will continue. After a time, the narrator feel the sorry for the Gaya. Why? Because Gaya is a simplest stone. Simplest stone means a person who is not very intelligent. Okay, and when he hit the, means Gaya hit the danda for the third time, the narrator graciously allowed him to bat. After that, the Gaya asking to the narrator, what he asking? He asking him, we should we not continue the game tomorrow? But why? Because it is getting dark. But here the narrator is not agree to him, and he telling that you have to complete your inning now. It not be proceed in the next day. Gaya started batting, but very poorly. In a few minutes he was out, and the Gaya and the narrator give a chance again and telling him to you can bat again if you like. But Gaya saying that not, it is very dark now and I cannot play in the dark. And when the narrator drop him at the home of the Gaya telling to the narrator that tomorrow will be held a match, and if you want to fix the time, and we will proceed the game. So next day the game will start. Okay, narrator reached the playground, and he saw some of the peoples of the group, that was the 20 players. Okay, and including several of his old classmates. The rest were young men whom the narrator did not know. The game began, and he watched sitting in his car. Now this is the turn of the Gaya. Gaya performed that the day astonished the narrator. What a skill, what a grace, how his childhood talent had matured. All his acknowledged of the previous day had disappeared, seeing the way he sent the gilly flying through the air like an arrow. And here is the narrator realized that he played with him so expectantly that day before. Okay, it means here is the Gaya did not play very well with the narrators, but now in the field Gaya play with the many of the persons, many of the players in the field. And when the match is starting, the Gaya performance is a surprise to the narrator. Why? Because here the Gaya's playing is very skillful. Okay, his childhood talent had been matured now. Okay, he hit the gilly in the air like a arrow shot. And then the narrator realized that in the previous day Gaya did not play with him as with his complete skill. Okay, why? Because then he tried to be a little high. When he seeing the match, in the match some of the boys try to be little high-handed. Okay, high-handed means arrogant and bossy. But here is the Gaya argument him. He talking to him and conversation to him. Okay, there was an argument between him and Gaya. Means that was and Gaya's, and but such was Gaya's anger and authority that the youth had got gave him. The authority of the conversation or quarreling or arguing given by the another persons, another players. Now the narrator knew that the Gaya had not played with him the day before. The previous day, the Gaya did not play with the narrator with complete heart. Okay, he had only pretended to play. He had showing to play, and he cheated. The narrator cheated, but he showed no anger. He had no showing his anger. That was because he included him like you includes a child, allowing him to win. Gaya give a chance to win of the narrators. He allowed him to win. Okay, why? Because he was an officer. Narrator was an officer, an engineer, and the Gaya allowed him to win. Only one reason. Why? Because he was an officer and he was poor. It means Gaya was a poor person, and this fact stood between both of them like a wall. Now the narrator could get inclusions from him, politeness from him, but not comradeship. Comradeship, just like that, as children we play. When the children play, they are equal in the game, but here is the not equality. Okay, one thing is stand between both person. That was the a wall. And what kind of the wall? Richness and poorness. But now he was. It means the narrator was no match for him. When he observed the Gaya's match today, then he did not match for him, only an object of pity. Okay, Gaya had grown bigger and the narrator had been smaller. Why? Because the narrator was a rich person, a skillful person, but in the game he cheating to the Gaya, and Gaya is a very poor person, a simple person, that was allowed to him. It means allowed to the narrator to cheat him. It is the difference between both person, and this is the matter. The Gaya grown bigger. Gaya had grown bigger in mind of the narrator. and the narrator had become smaller in front of Gaya. This is the main reason. Okay, so you can see in this story, the narrator and the Gaya both are the friend. In the childhood when they are playing, they are equal, but now when they became youth, they start to play. But here is the one condition which appeared or create, that was the a wall of both person. That what kind of the wall? The wall of the poorness and richness, and that is the condition of the game that was given a chance or give allowed to win of the officer. Here is the narrator. Okay, officer means narrator. So I hope you all understand this poem, sorry, this story. I will meet you in the next video. So thank you for the watching.